guys, good morning, welcome back to our channel. It is Sunday the 26th of May and we are going out. Yeah, so we're going to see our friend Ate Ann. Hi Ate Ann, we'll be there soon. She will be cooking Filipino food and biko guys. Oh my god, kami sa biko guys. Uy, tag 5 ang kuan guys, putos. So as you can see, I've got makeup on because you know you wanna look presentable. And oh, by the way, so this is the contact lens that I bought from the city. Was it last weekend? I think. Yeah, if you watch my previous video, yeah, I got a video like showing where I bought this contact lens. What I like about them guys is they look very natural. So as you can see far away, it's not like screaming, hey, I'm wearing contact lens. So that's good, I like that. And yeah, and have a look at my face guys from yesterday's treatment. So the day after, you will notice that there will be it will darken in this part because it's where they treated the most, because it's where my imperfections, you know, the melasma are. So yeah, it's darkened a little bit, but maybe a few days later it will just lighten and get back to normal. And yeah, normal pigmentations it will show up again guys. So as I mentioned yesterday, I can't see any dramatic difference from you know day one until now. So yes, hello sweetie, do you want to say hi? Shh. She's busy. Hi. But beforehand guys, we're going to get the car washed because it looks horrible guys, like so dusty. Yes, so before we go to Auntie Anne's place, we're gonna go to the car wash. And yes, here's me guys. Hello, ang pambansang tita. So we'll see you there later. So guys, we're here now. That's the car, the dirty car. Yeah, so we're just waiting here guys. Wait, the balloon. So I got the voucher guys on Groupon for the car wash. It is $30. However, the guy came to me and said, well, for extra $15 they'll do like, I don't know, they'll do some extra in the car guys, like probably like do wiping inside the car as well, because it's a bit dusty. Like seriously, I've been really busy and I haven't been washing the car, so that's why. Yeah, so all in all it is, yeah, $45. So hi guys, while waiting for the car, I thought I'm gonna do a quick what's in my nappy bag. So this is my nappy bag. So it's the Louis Vuitton Neverfull in Damia Bean. So this is the medium size guys. So I don't know what's inside here, but we'll just, in no particular order, whatever on top I'm gonna take up. So first we've got this because we're going to drop it to the post office. This is what we bought yesterday. Right there. I'm sorry if the lighting changes, guys, because we're outside. It's a bit windy. So next one, so I have the charger, of course. Battery is life, guys, so we need the charger. And also this one, I don't, if we're not going out really like to the shops or anything like today, I just bring this one, guys. So seriously, I've got my driver's license and my bank card, my debit card. So that's all in there, guys. So next one would be Paris's extra shirt, because you know, baby guys, they get dirty, they get wet, and you know, so you have to change their clothes. And next one would be the wet wipes. Ito ang panlaban sa mga lubot na nakalibang, guys. So this one, and oh, sorry, that thing is moving. The table is moving, guys, sorry. And also the next one, I've got the kids wipes, kids messy wipes. So you know, just for example, I have to wipe Paris's hands when they're dusty, her face when it's, you know, dirty. I'll use that one. Okay, on the side. And next one, guys, is, all right, hang on, this is Mimi's wallet. I got, oh guys, bubbles. We need to bring these bubbles, guys, because sometimes when Paris soaks and cries, and you know, there's nothing bubbles can't fix, guys. So yeah, that's why. You want some bubble, honey? Mamba. Why? Here, you play with the bubbles. Hey, you play with the bubbles. And next one, guys, is the mini pochette, guys. So let's see what's in here. Okay, so first one, sorry, we've got this plastic bag, guys. So just in case Paris pools, or we change Paris's nappy somewhere, we can just put it in a plastic bag and put it in the bin so it doesn't smell that much. And the next one, guys, see, it's Paris's daily lotion, Cetaphil. And the next one is Johnson's baby cologne, so she smells good. And also next, I've got an extra hair clip, and I don't know why it's here, but it's my passes for work. That's it, no more. Just put this back. So that's that. I hope you can hear me alright, guys. It's a bit windy. The next one is our garage keys. You might wonder why we have the little scissor there, guys, because Paris took the bottom thing, so we need this to do that. I know this is not very safe, but yeah, just make sure that this is away from Paris. Mingay! And oh, I've got this, guys. This is where I keep all my coins. Holy moly. Mona na, guys. Extra you guys si ate. Alright, let's put that in here. And next one is, oh guys, so I've got the camera. I don't know why it's here, but this is the camera that I got fixed the other day, guys. So this is a selfie camera. I tried to use this as my vlogging camera, but for some reason I don't think it's good for it. So yeah, I'll keep it just for, you know, selfies, because it gives you like really beautiful photos, guys. Like it looks like you've got no pores at all. Like you look like, I don't know, you how do you call that? You're a model for derma stuff. So, and also other stuff we got here is Paris' snacks. So this is the orange yogurt rice cakes. Paris doesn't like it a lot, but I put it in the bag. Just, you know, I want it handy because sometimes it helps. And also these mini coconut rolls. Paris loves these, guys. And I think she's got it from me because I love coconut very much. So, and also, look guys, there's grapes in there. Paris loves grapes, guys. So we just got it in pieces so it doesn't choke her. Oh guys, I have a lot in here. Okay, so what's next? Oh Lord, guys, seriously, this is an epic fail. This is a nappy bag, but I couldn't find any nappies. Shoot. Alright, so the last ones here, guys, is just Paris's pants, just her change clothes, and Paris's jumper, just in case she gets cold. Oh no, I gotta call daddy now quickly, so she'll bring some, oh god, he'll bring some nappies, because it looks like we actually used it already, guys. I thought, oh god, I'm not happy about that, guys. Not happy. Alright, so yeah, that's about it, guys. That's all I have in my nappy bag. Nappy bag that's got no nappies. That is so ridiculous, guys. Mom, there's no nappy in here. We use it before we leave. Yes, just gonna call. I'm just gonna call Paris's father, guys. Call Mike. Tawagin mo papanakaw. Nawala kay sampit na mong lubot. So guys, there's no organizer, so I'm just gonna chuck them all in. Yeah, so that's about it, guys. What's going on? What's happening? Mama have it? Thank you, Nah. So yeah, guys, that's about it. This is my nappy bag. A nappy bag without a nappy. I think they're nearly finished with the car too, guys, so we'll just wait for more. Brand new car. Na malinis na siya, guys. Good, good. Awesome. We didn't do it before na. Hello. Lalo ka lang balay. Hi. Ito, lalo ko. Uy, pagtinin.
Okay na. Tugnos di pa makibunong.
Okay na ko. Kinikisa maliya sa nilas.
May kasuta na. Among from ni BP.
Wala na magdala. Come on, honey. Far out. This is big.
Ha?
Oh my god. Guys. Pista. Pista.
Birthday ni Vuitton, baby Paris. Ulahi, wala. Kapag kalami, oh, special akong biko.
Hi, honey girl. Nakabot na po dyan. Special kayo mi, guys. My special children.
Nakapalit dyan ahap ko kuhan ba kay para.
Mara mag-nagkuhan, buffet.
Ha?
Buffet, eat all you can.
Ano lagi akong kuhan ko nga, kabalo na naman. At si among borders ka nung kabalo sa magluto-luto ba?
Hi guys, we just finished eating. Have a look. Still have a lot left. Yeah, it was yum. Thank you kay Tiha. nag-come siya og biko guys. So thank you.
Hi!
Thank you.
You're welcome. Balik-balik.
Chef niya siya sa cook sa Point Cook.
So,
Hugas hugas kay plato guys. Humanog kuan, kaon kay hindi ta maulawan ba. Or makabalik ba ta? Makabalik kay basin ta kabalik kon kay. Sige lang mong kaon ha, di mo kabalo hugas plato.
Hugas taong plato.
Try na to ang biko ni ate guys. Guys, I haven't seen biko like this before. It's a biko with a twist.
Yeah.
So cheese na sa ibabaw ti? Cheese na? Sabi, try na sabi. Ako daw maghatag og kuan.
Judge. Ikaw si Judge Kwan karon.
Ako daw mag-critic, China. Mga kabalo sa gluto.
May kubalong prito.
Uy, kabalo sa over po. Ay, kabalo po luto og quick chow. Uy, pambata, man po na, mabungkag, man po na dito, masulod.
Isulod silang dua.
Ala, masulod na pa si Mike.
Diyan silang dua.
Ala.
Ano ganun ako manang yung balik kay kan.
Yummy. Can't.
Wala kayo na ako sa gitamis ang yung...
Guys, daghan kayo guys. Warm kayo dito sa ilang balay guys. So, bongga kayo lang heater.
Naman yung mga tupperware dire, yung mga sudlan balik din naman yung mga bag dire.
That. Guys. Makataan.
Mo gani.
Okay ka? Okay ka? Wala lang nila ni ah.
Dili ta bang biko? Dili ta bang biko?
Dili kay nga no. Ang ibabaw kay mo melt, mukha mo na siya, mo blend siya ba?
Lain na yung brown sugar na kay dili kayo dark ba mo nang dili kayo dark.
Namian ni siyang try. Hi guys, it's now God, 6 o'clock already and we're still here. We nearly finished all the food. And oh mama. What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? So we gotta head home now guys, but before that, I'm gonna introduce to you the host for today. Ding ding ding. Noel. What's up, pretty
Pangan.
Pangan. There you go. And the beautiful wife, guys. So, Madam. Madam. Mama. Yeah, we're gonna go home now, guys. It's work again tomorrow. And yeah, it's approximately 30 minutes drive from here, so it's not too bad. See you home. We're just saying bye now, guys. Bye, Atian. Thank you for today. Bye bye. Bye bye, Tita.
Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Feels good being a bit, yeah? Good. Feels nice. Feels nice.
Ti, shout out, Ti. Kasi may shout out di, Ti.
I train other people.
Di, mag-shout out ka sa imong koon. Imong anak.
Shout out sa akong Cyrus and Angel. Right. Ay, dili ka kung para subscribe sa Angel. Jel, subscribe ka bilang ni Ate Jel.
Subscribe dyan, ang taghalata.
Pawali na ako magkita, may
Ay, choy. Yeah, so... Ha? No. Yeah. So yeah, we had fun, guys. We have full guts. Seriously, very full guts because you saw the food. And we're bringing some biko home as well. So, take away. Take away.
It's $9.
Invoice on its way to you. Yeah.
I find it easy on the hip,
Kasi miyado.
but if I have to punch the heavy bag for like 2 minutes, it's tiring, man. Heavy bag.
Yeah.
The bag is tiring.
How much? How much?
Hindi mo na.
Wow, thank you.
Yay! Hi! Hi! We're going.
Bye, thank you.
Hi again, guys. We're finally home. Are we home? Paris putting makeup on. Wow, beautiful. Beautiful. So yeah, guys, we just want to say thank you to Ate Ann and Kuya Noel. Thank you very much for today. The food was yum. Pwede na dyan ka na mag-konti, mag-catering business. Okay, mag-change career na to, ti. Yeah, thank you so much for today. We had so much fun. We enjoyed the chat. And yeah, until next time. Next time din ang hugas pa may plato, ti. Yeah, uy, pag thank you po, uy, bagag lips.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Mana ulit, thank you kanina.
Busy siya sa iyang cell phone. But yeah, thank you so much, guys, for watching today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed it, and we can't wait to see you guys in our next video. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye. Ooh.
Bye.
Bye-bye na. Bye.